Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to do this easy messy updo. To start, I'm going to take a slice of hair from the top of the head and one directly underneath it. And I'm going to bring that bottom section over the top section. And then I'm going to keep doing this, but every time I cross over the bottom section, I'm going to add a chunk of hair from the hairline. And we're going to keep twisting this around until we get to the bottom left hand side of the hair at the nape of the neck. Now I'm just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through that twist to keep it nice and secure. Grab some texture spray and apply it all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull that twist apart, as well as hair at the crown. Now I'm going to take a slice of hair from the bottom left hand side and a slice of hair from the right. Bring them together and join them together with a clear elastic band. Then I'm going to use my fingers again to create some more texture by pinching and pulling. And I'm going to keep doing this until I run out of hair at the front of the head. So take a slice from the bottom of the hairline and a slice from the top right hand side. Bring them together and join them with a clear elastic band, and then pinch and pull to loosen. So I've got one more section before I run out of hair at the front. So I'm just going to again bring them together and then pinch and pull. So we should be left with hair hanging down and a little ponytail above. Now we're simply going to take hair from the hair that's hanging down, and we're going to take a slice on both sides, bring them in front of the ponytail and join them together, and yes, you've guessed it, pinch and pull it apart. And we're just going to repeat this process all the way down that ponytail until we get to the end. Now we're going to take that little pull through braid and bring it over to the left hand side and roll those ends underneath so you can't see them. Hold it to the nape of the neck and then pin it all the way around that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.